How to make Facebook account private on phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Now simply scroll down. Now under audience and visibility, simply tap on profile locking. Now tap on lock your profile. Now simply go back. Now tap on how people can find and contact you. Now tap on who can see your friend list and select friends or only me. Then tap on save and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.